Hello, and welcome again to your daily dose of Amazon finds. Before we start, please like this video, it really helps me a lot. First up, we have the Zule garlic press, priced at just $12.99. It's a game changer in the kitchen. This 2-in-1 gadget lets you slice and mince garlic simultaneously with a simple squeeze. No more tedious chopping. Plus, it comes with a handy silicone garlic peeler tube that makes peeling garlic a breeze. Next, we have the OtStar jar opener, available for only $9.99. It's a true kitchen hero. This 6-in-1 tool can open jars of all sizes with ease. No more struggling to twist off stubborn lids. And the best part? It comes with a premium silicone jar opener gripper pad that provides an unbeatable grip. Now, let's talk about the clip-on strainer for pots, priced at $1.55. If you're tired of bulky colanders taking up space, this is your solution. It clips onto almost any pot or pan, making straining a breeze, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Moving on to the refrigerator liners, a steal at $6.99 for a pack of 8. These liners are pre-cut for standard fridges, but can be customized to fit larger ones. They've been upgraded with nano-transparent glue for a secure fit. Use them as fridge shelf liners, drawer liners, or cabinet liners. Versatility at its best. The chicken shredder tool, priced at $34.99. If you love cooking up tender chicken or pulled pork, this gadget is a must-have. It's highly durable and features an innovative design with transparent lids, anti-slip pads, and comfortable grips. Say goodbye to shredding chicken with forks. Let's add some flavor with the Misolo oil sprayer, available for $26.99. This electric oil spray bottle is a kitchen game changer. It's rechargeable and offers 2 atomized modes, giving you precise control over your oil usage. Plus, it's fast charging and lasts up to 20 days on a single charge. And now, for all the pasta lovers out there, the collapsible silicone colanders for $12.99. They make draining pasta a breeze and save you precious kitchen cabinet space. These colanders are also versatile and perfect for rinsing fruits and veggies. The taco holders set of 4, available for $10.99. Taco night just got an upgrade. These stainless steel taco holders securely hold your tacos, preventing messy spills. They're safe, durable, and come with convenient handles. Now let's talk about the Full-Star vegetable chopper, priced at $27.99. This is an all-in-one kitchen gadget that will revolutionize your meal prep. With 7 easy-to-change inserts, including chopper blades and spiralizers, it's perfect for creating a wide variety of dishes. For those who like to keep their kitchen organized, we have the dishwasher magnet sign for $17.50. This sleek stainless steel magnet easily slides to indicate whether your dishes are clean or dirty. No more guessing or accidentally re-washing dishes. It's a must-have kitchen essential. Now let's add some style and functionality to your kitchen with the bamboo cutting board, priced at $74.99. It's not just a cutting board, it's a kitchen multi-tool. With a built-in knife sharpener and stackable, airtight containers, it keeps your kitchen organized and your blades sharp. If you're a coffee or tea lover, you'll adore the coffee mug warmer, available for $24.97. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks. This warmer has adjustable temperature settings to keep your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature. It's a game changer for those long work-from-home days. Up next, we have the collapsible microwave cover, priced at $19.53. It's a real game changer in the microwave world. This magnetic splatter cover keeps your microwave clean and stows conveniently on the inside ceiling when not in use. It's a lifesaver when it comes to reheating leftovers. Let's make cooking a breeze with the electric skillet with glass lid, available for $46.98. This skillet features an easy-to-clean ceramic non-stick coating and offers 5-in-1 functionality. From frying to grilling, it does it all. Plus, it's spacious, durable, and comes with stay-cool handles. Last but not least, we have the automatic jar opener, priced at $18.83. It's a kitchen superhero with higher torque power. No more struggling to open tight lids. This gadget does it automatically. It fits a wide range of jar sizes and is perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis.